My name's Haylee. I'm a Microsoft consultant here at Ascendex, and today I'm going to do a quick demo over a small feature in Power BI that just makes paginated reporting so much easier, and I'll hopefully save you some trouble. So check it out. All right, so we're going to get started here in Power BI Desktop. As you can see, I have just a simple dashboard with football play-by-play data that we're going to use in this demo today. So I'm going to take this table and throw it into a paginated report. Now, if you have something much bigger, much more complicated than what I have here, grabbing this and using measures that you've created and just any visual on the screen would be super helpful to just grab and slap into Power BI Report Builder. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So this feature up here at the top is within the Optimize tab, and if you go to Performance Analyzer. So click here, and then click Start Recording. The next step is click Refresh Visuals, and this way you're going to see your table pop up. This can only work on data that is housed in a table. If you had a graph here, obviously it would not pull the same query. So click the plus bar next to Table, and then click Copy Query. Now what you're doing is copying the DAX query that is used to create this Power BI table, and this can be directly put into Power BI Report Builder. In order to do that, I'm going to go over to my Power BI Report Builder, and here you're in the main page. This is just a blank report. So I'm already connected to my data source, which is the same source that my Power BI desktop dashboard was created using. So if you haven't done that step yet, just right click, add Power BI semantic model connection, and then connect to your data source. After you've done that and you have your data source, you're going to right click on data sets and you're going to click add data set. You're going to get brought into this screen here, which will allow you to create a query. But first you need to select that data source, which in my example, it's the football data. After you've done that, you will see the Query Designer button light up. Click into here. And once the Query Designer loads, you're going to have two options. So Power BI Report Builder allows you to just grab data similar to how you did in Power BI to create the dashboard in the first place and select different fields to drag and drop. Or since we copied our query from Power BI, we can come over here, click Design Mode. You're going to have a blank dashboard here, and anything you populate will populate down here, the actual data you're pulling using the query. So what does that mean and what does that look like? Well, right click, paste in your query. This is what it should look like. And then click this button here. So you're going to execute the query. You can see here I have the three columns that I have over here in Power BI Desktop. Just gives you the field names this time instead of what you renamed them in Power BI Desktop in case you're confused there. Basically, it's exactly what you have in Power BI. So from here, I'm going to click OK. And Power BI Report Builder is going to take my query and put it into the query here. And this is just showing you that, hey, this is what your data set is. You can add to this within the Query Designer within Power BI Report Builder if you want to. Otherwise, when you're done, just click OK. And there you go. So for my example, I am going to rename this. And you can do so by clicking right-click Power Properties, rather. I'm going to rename this and call it Football Dashboard. All right, now I'm going to click OK. And now I have my data set. And it's as simple as just inserting your table again, and then drag and drop. And customize as you want. Now, if you're curious as to why we're doing this in the first place, paginated reports are super easy to use, and they're great for printing. So you can take a report, throw it into here, and I mean, it's designed to print off. It's designed to be something that you can come in here and run, and then maybe you set it to email to yourself every day or whatever that might look like. It's definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions about Power BI Report Builder, feel free to contact us here at Ascendex Consulting.